If you want to watch the 2026 FIFA World Cup on your Roku device, this video is for you because honestly, Roku has become one of the most popular streaming platforms in the world, and it's one of the easiest ways to watch live football directly on your TV. The good news is you can watch World Cup matches using official broadcasters and streaming services available in your country. So today I'll show you exactly how to watch the World Cup on Roku step by step. First, make sure your Roku device is connected to the internet and updated to the latest software version. This helps ensure the best streaming experience possible. Next, go to the Roku home screen and open streaming channels. This is Roku's App Store, where you can download sports and TV apps. Now search for the official broadcaster that has World Cup rights in your country. For example, if you're in the United States, popular options include Fox Sports, Telemundo, Fubo, YouTube TV, and Hulu. Plus live TV. Many of these services offer Roku apps that can be installed in just a few minutes. If you're in the United Kingdom, you can download BBC iPlayer and ITV. You're in Spain, you may find coverage through RTV Play and other authorized broadcasters. And in many other countries, official World Cup broadcasters also provide Roku-compatible apps. Once you've installed the app, open it and sign in. If required, some services are free while others require a subscription, depending on the broadcaster and your region. After logging in, look for Live Sports Live TV or the World Cup section. Most streaming services create a dedicated tournament page, making it easy to find upcoming matches, live games, highlights, and replays. Now let's talk about streaming quality, because nobody wants buffering during an important World Cup match. For the best experience is a stable, high-speed internet connection. Many Roku-compatible apps support HD streaming, and some even support 4K broadcasts, depending on your Roku model, internet speed, and streaming package. Another useful tip is to install multiple official sports apps. This gives you alternative viewing options and makes it easier to access different matches throughout the tournament. You should also consider installing FIFA Plus, which offers match highlights, statistics, team information, exclusive interviews, and additional World Cup content, depending on your location. Now, let's be honest, one of the biggest advantages of Roku is how simple everything is. Once your apps are installed, you can access World Cup coverage with just a few clicks directly from your remote control. No complicated setup, no cable box, and no additional hardware required. Just turn on your TV, open your streaming app, and enjoy the match. So to summarize, connect your Roku device to the internet, download the official broadcaster app for your country, sign in if necessary, open the World Cup section, and start watching the tournament from your TV, because honestly, the World Cup is one of those events that deserves to be watched on the biggest screen possible, surrounded by friends, family, and plenty of football excitement.